We out here at the Garden Theater. Crowd is starting to gather. Here to see a great movie, man. The book False Prophet is going down. We make history tonight, baby.
We out here at the red carpet event for the book, The False Prophet, man. We got a lot of people out here. It's gonna be a lovely night. Come out, enjoy.
It's my first movie, so I'm excited, and I hope everybody who came out enjoys the film.
You're back in the building.
We are, and we are here for the viewing of The False Prophet.
Man, look at here. Hey, we had to wear my white communion's jacket because all these false prophets out here, I don't know. Keep it locked. Guys, you already know the rest. The best is
Yet to come.
Let's go.
Red carpet premiere, the book, The False Prophet. I play Sister Faithful, y'all. I'm so excited. My first big movie on the big screen. So y'all check me out.
There's so much going on. Wow, what an event. A lot of people coming out for the book, False Prophet, and we're excited. Looking forward to seeing the premiere. Lots of people out here tonight, man. The sidewalks are packed. Getting in the theater.
To see my best friend, my best blood play a preacher. I've been praying for him to get saved for a long time, and now a movie actually got it. Hey, God works in mysterious ways, bro. But I'm looking for him to have an excellent show. Everybody in the cast is cool, calm and collective, and I know they killed it, so I can't wait to see it, man. I'm so proud of all of them, especially my man Troy.
For the book, False Prophet. Let's go.
What's going on, peeps? So we had a great night. The people received the film well. I feel like it made an impact, which is what we set out to do. And I'm gonna keep telling these stories, man. I love playing these complex characters, that challenge me, that really channel my true emotions and force me to go to places that I've never gone. So this role of Pastor Jack has been the most challenging role I've done thus far in my career. Working with such great actors, man, and to see all these people that came out, man, what can I say, man? Orlando, man, we here, man. The love is real. The love is real. And we got a next one coming up. We'll be announcing that one soon. Y'all stay tuned, baby. We out. The book, False Prophet, Pastor Jack, signing out. I'm out.
How excited are you to watch your dad's film?
Very excited.